So, made your mind up yet, sir?
Yeah, so...
Let's just get this on you then, sir. Just a treatment, sir. Just head up a bit, sir. Susie, answer that, will you please, love? Excuse us a minute. Susie! No, not at all. Yeah? Yeah, Saturday. Yeah? No. Yeah?
Sorry, look, can I just leave Jamie here with you for a moment? I mean, I've left my purse in the shop back there. But just give him a good haircut, will you? Be good, Jamie. It's a terrible mess.
Walk along.
Yeah, great. Thanks for that. Found it. I was really lucky. It's all right. Keep the change.
Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Hello? Hold it, I can't hear you. Wait a minute. Hi.
Oh, sorry about that. Susie's usually here Tuesdays. 2 minutes.
Morning, Derek.
Good morning.
Hello? Yeah, I'm on.
Usual, please, Derek.
I was first.
Oh, this is...
Just these split ends at the back and thin it out, would you? Keep the change.
Thanks.
What a day.
Thanks, Derek.
Very nice.
Roger. Roger!
Right, where is he?
Whoa.
Where is he?
What?
Well, what on earth
What?
do you call this? You don't like it.
I do.
Shut up, Jamie. Now look, listen to me.
Trying to say?
Where's my
Say,
ponytail?
my son looks like an ape.
Look, shut up.
Excuse me.
Have you got any
Excuse
idea
me.
how long it took me to grow that?
No,
Nearly 2.5 years. And your mate chops it off in less than 2 minutes.
Have
You see this?
Sir.
Derek. Can we just sort this
Yes,
out?
I'm first. Right, now what are you going to do
Your
about it?
assistant.
this
Where
family
is
What are you
he?
going to do? Derek, whatever your name is.
Welcome back.